Hello, I am going to be guiding you through a gratitude meditation with your breath today. So this is something that you can come to anytime you are in your head or you're feeling overwhelmed or you just need to take a pause. So we're going to be really going into our heart space. When we feel gratitude for things, we realize just how amazing and lucky we are to live in our lives and be grateful for all of the things that we have. And we are human beings and we can get caught up in our emotions and caught up in the things going around us. And sometimes we just need to take a quick pause to recenter ourselves, to come back to our bodies, to come back to our hearts, and to remember just how incredible everything truly, truly is. And when we feel these emotions of gratitude, we are going to be sending that out. We are going to be impacting all of the people around us, and we are going to be bringing that gratitude, calling that in to us, because it will be reflected back to us from our own inner world, our own inner emotions. So for the actual meditation and breath work, we're going to do two different types of breathing patterns with two different breath holds. So the first round of breath, we're going to be breathing in and out of the mouth. And on every inhale, you really want to feel your belly and your sides and your back to really fill out on the inhale. And on the exhale, you'll feel it start to fall. And then we're going to go through a breath hold and hold at the top of the breath and hold that for a little bit. And then on the exhale, we're going to go into our second breathing pattern. And that breathing pattern is going to be in through the nose and a long exhale through the mouth. So we're really calming the nervous system, really going a little bit deeper into our bodies in the second round of breath work. And then at the end of that, we'll do our second breath hold, where we'll hold at the bottom of the breath. So to get started, come into a seated position. You can actually even do this lying down if that feels good for you. So take the next few moments to just get settled in. And when you're feeling pretty comfortable, you can just close your eyes. And I want you to start to shift your attention to your heart space. Just imagine this beautiful swirling light, this green and white light just swirling around in your heart space. And begin to imagine a moment in time that you felt very, very grateful. It could be something in the past. It can be something that you're just thinking about right now that you're incredibly grateful for. And I want you to take the next few moments to just put your attention in that space and start to feel that gratitude in the heart, and then start to feel it as it begins to fill your entire body. And if you'd like, you can also put your hand on your heart as well. Really feeling that gratitude in your heart and feeling it spread to your entire body. Visualizing that light going all the way down your torso to your legs and to your toes, and up through your arms and your neck and all the way in your head. And just feeling your whole body just radiating with that gratitude. And we're going to begin with this first round of breath. So keeping your eyes closed, keeping focused on that feeling of gratitude in your heart space, begin to breathe in and out through the mouth. Just going at your own rhythm and your own pace. It can be faster, it can be slower. Whatever feels good for you. Finding that rhythm. Inhaling, pressing the belly out. And exhale, allowing the belly to fall in and out through the mouth. Really feeling that gratitude as it swirls through your body with every inhale and every exhale. Allowing that feeling to permeate deep into the cells of your body. And just allow yourself to just feel good in this moment. Nothing else exists. Just a few more breaths here before we go into that breath hold. And take a big inhale in and exhale out. A big inhale in and exhale out. And take a big inhale in, holding the breath at the top, holding it here, allowing the mind to empty, just allowing any downloads or clarity to come through in this moment, allowing it to just be here in the stillness, being present in your body. And slowly exhale. Now start by breathing into your nose and exhale through your mouth. Finding your own rhythm here, in through your nose and a long exhale through the mouth. Slowing the breath down, really elongating the breath on the exhale. Just feeling your body begin to soften and relax even more. Allowing the muscles around the eyes to just relax all the way down to your jaw. Down your neck and your shoulders. Just kind of feel your body melting a little bit here as you continue with that breath in and out. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Really feeling your body, feeling that gratitude, sinking deeper and deeper and deeper as you soften and relax more and more. With every inhale, breathing in the gratitude, and every exhale, breathing out anything that is blocking that gratitude. Cleansing the body with the breath. And just a few more breaths here before we go into our final breath hold. And take a big inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through the mouth, allowing it to all flow out, holding at the bottom of this breath. Allowing that space and that stillness to just be, the mind clearing out even more. And And when you're ready, you can take an inhale and exhale, let it out. Starting to return to your normal breath. You can start to move your fingers and your toes, shaking your head from side to side, up and down. And shrugging the shoulders up and down. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. How are you feeling? How are you feeling in your body? How are you feeling in your heart? Are you feeling a little bit lighter, a little bit more grateful, a little bit more love? This is such a powerful, powerful practice that you can do at any time. All you need is just a few minutes to sit still and be with your breath and be with yourself and put your focused attention on that heart space and on that gratitude or emotion that you wish to feel. And we are just transported into what is real, and that is love. That is the only thing that exists. And we can remind ourselves and choose to bring ourselves back to the state simply because we just feel good. And we deserve that. We deserve to feel good at any time. And we have the power to do that with these moments of silence and these moments with our breath. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful practice of guided meditation and breath work.